Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Disney Plus refusing to install, update, or download an episode because of not enough storage? Here's the fix. First, go to your settings, then go to General, then go to iPhone Storage, and let the list fully load. This shows you exactly which apps are taking up the most space. Disney Plus itself stores temporary files, downloaded episodes, and cached data that can quietly fill up your storage over time. So, tap on Disney Plus directly and check if you have old downloaded episodes you no longer need. Deleting them to free space immediately. Also, tap Offload app on a few larger apps you do not use often, which removes the app but it keeps documents and data. Once you freed up at least 1 to 2 gigabytes, go back to the App Store and try installing or updating Disney Plus again. If the error persists, even with the free space showing, restart your iPhone completely since a full restart resets how iOS calculates available storage. So, all you've got to do is clear old downloaded episodes, free up storage in iPhone storage, and restart if needed. Disney installs and updates cleanly, and that's it. Subscribe.